All right, guys, back again. We've got Greg here. He's going to do a box of the new 2014 Upper Deck Football. Good luck, my friend. Let's even get you a little Money Manziel. All right, we've got, ooh, what is this? 2014 first running back drafted predictor wild card. Check this out. Nice. Wild card predictor. Nice hit right there, Greg. Nice pick on the box. I have to check and see what the odds are, if they're even stated on the back, what those, how tough it is to hit those. All right, we got a Letterman of Jeremy Gallon, numbered 59 of 75. 1 in 480. Oh, thanks, Brian. Appreciate the info, brother. John Elway. Yeah, I was thinking probably Carlos Hyde. I'm guessing that's who that's going to be. Autograph. We got Brendan K. Cincinnati Bearcats. All right, rookie of Robert Herron, Wyoming. Trey Mason. Autograph. Dante Moncrief, Ole Miss, Rebels. Star rookie signatures. Getting all the hits on this side. Another hit coming up. It is Damian Williams, Letterman, 37 of 75. Peyton Manning, UT Vols. Archie Griffin, only two-time Heisman Trophy winner. LT. Another Peyton Manning base. Nice. Teddy Bridgewater. UD Authentics, number 2, 430. Nice hit on the Bridgewater. And our last pack, Greg. We will finish up with CJ Mosley, Crimson Tide. All right, that'll do it. Awesome box, buddy. Congrats on the predictor. Hopefully that it's going to turn out to be a pretty monster card for you. Later, buddy.